Hey guys, today I want to check the new updates for Diony and Rea from WesAudio. I'm really excited about the plugins because I think WesAudio is doing an amazing job releasing updates for their existing hardware. Let's check the new plugins out. Let's start with Rea. The first thing that I'm noticing is that the interface is completely new, which I like. The old interface with all their plugins try to mimic the hardware one-on-one, and I felt that was a bit gimmicky. Now this looks more like a plugin. This looks more visually appealing and pleasing. We don't have that hardware replicated in the plugin. One big difference is that now it seems that we have a gain reduction on the right side. Let's see how that looks. I have Rea inserted on the 2 bus. You can see that we have the gain reduction here and it's really responsive. I love that. Really nice. This is a feature that helps me navigate the hardware much faster, and I have a clear visual representation of what's happening with the plugin. I like the fact that when a feature is off, it's grayed out, and when you engage it, you get this nice purpley color. Also, really nice that we have a pop-up with the actual value of all the knobs, and you can double click and input the number like that. Holding command and click on Mac resets the knobs. Since Rea is a volume that actually has tubes in it, we can decide how clean we want the tubes to sound. One thing that I like doing is decrease the input, increase the output. Right now we don't push the tubes that much. We still get a bit of a character, but we keep things really clean. I like the fact that now we can click on the actual numbers and the interface is so smooth and so responsive. The big update that I see with Rea is the saturation mode. When we engage saturation mode, the layout of the plugin changes. Now we are in the red mode. You can see that we have all the buttons, all the knobs with the red color, and now we can use Rea just for the saturation, and this is a big update. Let's start driving Rea and see what type of sound we can achieve. Can push it really hard and just use the dry wet mix, or add just a touch of tube flavor. like that even when bypassed, you can see the view meter working and also the gain reduction. It's incredible that this doesn't even feel like a hardware. It feels more like a plugin now, and this is something that I really enjoy. Really responsive. You don't feel any lag, you don't feel any delay. It's just snappy. This was the update for Rhea and Diony from WesAudio. I love this company. It's a company that I want to support because they bring out updates like this. They keep improving and they keep innovating. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, drop a like, leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for the support and see you guys really soon. Cheers.